Disney calls its Coronado Springs Resort a moderately priced resort, but this place feels like so much more than that. We're talking a floating bar in the middle of a giant lagoon, great dining, and lush grounds. So we checked in to show you why this might be one of Walt Disney World's best kept, luxe for less hotel secrets. You enter through the Grand Destino Tower lobby, with decor inspired by Salvador Dali himself. You see it in all the details, the patterns, the lanterns, the scale. It all feels very intentional without trying too hard. The name Destino comes from a short animated film Disney and Dali began in 1945 and didn't finish until 2003. They now play that on a loop at the Rooftop bar Dahlia. We'll show you more of that later. But first, let's get to the gift shop Panchitos. We're going into Panchitos.
I would actually probably buy it.
You really want those wine glasses, don't you? Yeah, you should hold that up. Hold it up to your face. It's classic. Oh.
Coronado Springs luggage tag.
Oh, wow.
It's really handy
Huge.
for all
Wow.
your ornaments.
I actually kind of like that.
It's
like
a southwestern.
Yeah, it's like a Southwest ornament.
It's
Oh,
like
they
coasters.
love tiles here. Actually, that's kind of cool.
Well, these are Portuguese tiles.
Oh. Wow. What they have, is that the three caballeros?
See.
So this is like what's in our room. You can get a backpack version. Oh. You can get a backpack version. That's great. Also, check out this hidden Mickey made of coins in the middle of a fountain. I mean, that's clever. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick room tour because
We also just got rained on.
and we got rained on, so we're a little wet. So let's take them around the room. I'm gonna flip the camera around. Look at that, professional. All right.
Most Disney rooms come with 2 beds because there's families.
Mm-hmm.
So beds.
Beds, and we've got the what's the name of this?
Three caballeros.
Three
silhouettes.
caballeros silhouettes. I think they light up, right? I think they light
I
up.
don't think they light up.
They're not lit
Just
up.
focus.
Okay, they look like they're lit up. Whatever.
Yeah.
But nice spacious room. You've got these barn doors. If you're into that, we've got the bathroom. As you can tell, we are already in the room.
Yeah.
And then that's it. Look at that. It's nice.
Room tour over.
Room tour
Oh,
over.
I like the curtains.
Oh, I do like the curtains too. These are like
Good.
I would have those in my
It's
house.
like a southwestern theme.
That's nice. All right. Bye. The whole resort is built around a huge lagoon called Lago Dorado, with bridges connecting each section across the water. It's a big property, but the layout makes it feel so open and airy, and it's really still pretty easy to get around. The main pool area here is called the dig site, and it has a 123-foot water slide built into a literal Mayan pyramid, plus the largest hot tub on Walt Disney World property. That's good to know. To the side of that, there are plenty of other places to play around, including ping pong tables and a whole Mayan-themed playground section with this giant head thing that's yawning. I don't know. If I were a kid, I would have gone nuts here. A good thing to know too, because Coronado Springs is so huge, even though you are taking a bus and there's a lot of like walking and walkways, there are multiple bus stops that are going to be close to your room that you can get on and go to Epcot from. So you don't have to walk to the front. They have it all planned out. Because of course they do. There's also like kind of a lot of lizards around, like everywhere. Like running around, running in front of me. So just be on the lookout for lizards. So here's a bus stop we're walking up to. And see, this is great. A bus just left. There's another bus pulling up and there's another bus behind them. That's what I like to see, especially in this weather. And now we are walking to
3 Bridges Restaurant Bar Cafe.
This really might be our favorite spot on this whole property. This is 3 Bridges Bar and Grill at Villa del Lago. It's sitting right in the center of Lago Dorado, the lagoon. It's open air, right on the water, has a mix of small plates, really good drinks, and just the views, you can't beat it. It feels so special. You really won't want to leave.
All right, it's a rather moody afternoon here at the, what's this place called?
3 Bridges Bar and Grill.
Yes.
Yes, I think we figured it out at this point. But we always ordered the same cocktails. I feel like.
Yeah,
We got
yeah.
the Santa Maria Collins, which has, Rose d'Argent, strawberry gin.
Wait, what does it have?
Rose d'Argent.
Didn't you say you took French?
I did. I'm saying it correctly. rose discharge. God damn it. Lime and soda water. And we were told this is a signature drink and that's delicious. I'm just gonna go for it.
And that it was stiff. So. Oh, that's good.
Very good. It's like sweet, tart, little ginny,
Little strawberry.
strawberry. I highly recommend this one.
Yeah.
We might try another one, so we'll record that if we do.
It's also like quite large.
Yeah, it's large and in charge, which we love. So
Just like us.
hopefully it stays dry. If not, we'll be. It won't matter. It won't matter.
We got hungry, so we got a trio of dips because Sam loves dips. He likes to do a duo of dips at Tommy Bahama's. He's a dip hog.
You know what? I'm proud of it. Look at these dips.
Also, they're really good.
They are very good.
And the chips, they're not like greasy. They're like,
No,
they kind of taste healthy.
yeah. I'm sure they're not, but it tastes good.
They're healthy dips and chips.
The next step is the quadruple of dips.
Whoa, that would be a dip inception of the
Coming to
brain.
you soon. We will find them where.
Show everyone the view now. Show the view. Look at that view.
And right at the top of that big, beautiful tower is the Dahlia Lounge, a rooftop bar with Spanish-inspired cocktails, tapas-style bites, and an amazing view across the entire resort. It's a completely different setting from Three Bridges, but just as much of a destination. Oh, and yes, they do have churros. And yes, of course, we finished them in like 2 bites.
We're walking back home on a dock.
We are walking back home on a fake dog. Better than a real dog, right?
We really like the theming of this hotel. You got to see the shot of the tower.
There's a
Look at the
tower.
tower.
Look at the tower.
It kind of looks like the Bellagio. Doesn't it?
A little bit. It does.
Yeah.
All right. Let's say goodbye.
Peace out.
Bye.
We have had an incredible time here at Disney's Coronado Springs.
100%. This is maybe, I don't want to say our favorite resort, but we definitely love it. This is the perfect way to do bougie on a budget at Disney.
For sure, because
Yeah.
this hotel has everything. Great food, great restaurants, great staff, and it's not crazy expensive.
And it's so large that you really feel like you're in your own kind of space here. You don't feel like you're attacked by all these people.
No,
So
and it's super chill and relaxing.
we love it. So 10 out of 10, honestly.
I
I
have
have no notes.
No, also, I'll say this again, the staff here is really nice.
Yeah,
Which counts a lot when you're staying in a hotel.
that's true. We'll be
Yeah.
back for sure.
Um,
Look how good the hotel looks.
Look
I
at
mean,
the light.
Because it's sunset.
not a green screen,
No.
right? We
But
love
also, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for even more content.
that. Yes. And that's it.
That's it.